Hey everybody, let me show you one of the largest miniature scenes I've ever built. This took me a year to complete and I can't wait to show you how it works. Now let's have a closer look. This is a large wooden box. It's about 2 by 3 feet in size, but the inside has something magical that you may all recognize. Inside right now, we have little compartments with little tiny ghosts. Many of you will recognize what attraction and place this is from. Now, the one thing that's missing is the plexiglass for the special Pepper's Ghost effect. I can't wait to show you with the lights on and how it looks. But first, to give you an idea, this is what the actual scene looks like without the plexiglass and without the reflections. This is so fun and cool. It's already going on its way to its new home. So are you ready? I hope you enjoyed that tiny Haunted Mansion tour. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you'd like to see a making of this video.